What's up guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to master the text function in Blender. So first things first, we're going to delete everything in our scene, so A and X to delete. Now to add text in our scene, we're going to do Shift A and add in the text, so press this. So as you can see, it's going to add in this default text. So what I'm going to do is going to press RX and then 90 to put it up 90 degrees on the x-axis, and then RZ90 so we can put it like this, and we're going to facing towards it. Now to actually change the words in the text, change the letters, you have to go into edit mode, so tab to go into edit mode. I'm going to see so you can now type in whatever you want to. So for example, I'm going to say subscribe. And as you can see, we added in our subscribe text. You can literally type in whatever you want. So then we're going to look at our properties panel. So when you add a text, you're going to see this little A icon, and that is a new panel, object data property for text. So let's open that up. Now the first option you're going to see is the resolution preview. So you can actually just decrease and you'll see what happened. It decreases the resolution. It's going to be very low poly. So we're going to keep it to 12. And this is going to be the render resolution as well. You can change that. The next we're going to look at is the geometry. So you can actually extrude out the text. You can extrude it out, and you can see you can add some thickness to it. So extrude it out. And then you can also change the offset if you want to between those characters, as you can see, the offset. But I'm going to keep it at a 0. And then the next we're going to look at is the depth. So we're going to actually increase the depth. As you can see, it's going to add more depth to it. And as you can see, it creates this balloony effect. If you want to, I'm going to keep it at 0.01. And that will be a little balloon effect. Maybe a 0.02. Yeah, that looks perfect. We can also add a bevel. So according to an object, you can bevel something according to an object or a profile. That's like with curves and something like that. But keep it around. That is most easiest. The next thing is that you can change the fonts. So fonts, you can change it. If you select this folder over here, you get the Blender library. You can actually just change it whatever you want. Let's just check this one over here. Nothing would really happen. Actually, that looks super cool. That looks super cool. Subscribe. That's where you guys should subscribe. And then let's go down over here. You can increase the size of the text. So you can increase it, and you can see it's going to be very big. And then you can also change the alignment on the horizontal, vertical, and even change the scales. You can actually look at them and see what they do. And then last of the spacing, you're going to use these a lot. So you can, the character spacing, something like this. You can increase the character spacing. And if you have multiple words, you can increase the spacing between them as well. And the line spacing as well. And as you can see, you can also animate these values. As you can see, you have these lines. For example, if I put this up, make this kind of spacing, add a keyframe over here, move this up, just increase the spacing like this, and as you can see, just animated it. Super simple. Now that is basically it when it comes to text in Blender. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.